Look at the beauty of the nature. The plants, the flowers, every plant, every flower, every leaf is different. Has different texture, shape, size, and colors. Look around and look at the beauty of the nature. Be present here now. Just focus on the colors, the shapes, and the feelings you get by looking at these plants. Be present here now. Every creature of the nature is different. Focus only on the beauty and be present here. Look at the plants. Though they are different in texture, smell, and shape, they are the beauty of the nature. Be present here now and cherish the beautiful plants, their color, and their difference.